Hi everyone, I'm Bernadette with the Pember Museum. I'm here at the Pember Nature Preserve. Today is a short video and we're going to make spoon beetles using plaster of Paris. I will be including this craft in with our insect take-home program kit. However, because of for safety reasons, I have decided that I will make the spoon beetles ahead of time for the kits, and so they will be pre-made, and all you have to do is paint, trim your legs and antennas, and go from there. Because the plaster of Paris, I have some concern that because of the dust, and it's a craft. Can you believe it? It's a craft, and you need to wear gloves, need to wear eyewear, and I feel better that I send them out already pre-made. But I'm going to show you how we make them. And this is a spoon beetle. And what I will do is, once I start, I'll move the camera to over my shoulder and talk so that you can see how it's done. Isn't that cute? And it fits. And these are the spoons. And this little guy was made out of the spoon. So when we made him, he was like this. So let's get to that. So bear with me. I'm going to switch the camera around for you to watch. Thanks. Okay, here we are with our supplies to make our plaster of Paris spoon beetles. And just a close-up of my little spoon beetle. Okay. As I said, you want to wear gloves and protective eyewear. So you want your spoon on a protective surface. You can use a tray or a paper towel or something like that. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris. And this has already been pre-measured, so I'm just going to dump it in a plastic cup very carefully so not to get this dust all over the place. So that's 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris. Before you start mixing, you want to make sure that you have your legs and antenna pre-cut. You can use what we call fuzzy sticks or pipe cleaners, and you want to trim each antenna 1.5 inches and your legs 1.5 inches. And insects have how many legs? That's right, 6 legs. Oh, sorry, buddy. So, and you can use scissors or you can use a regular type of wire cutter. So my legs are cut, and you don't have to worry about shaping them until after he's dry, and then you can shape them. And this is kind of weird because when he's upside down in there, you just have to kind of visualize how he's going to look when you turn him over in order to get those legs in there right. So, and antennas, I went with a shorty on this one. In my next one, I'm going to have really long. So, okay, that's that. I have a tongue depressor, so that way I can just throw it away. Plastic cup, so I can just throw it away. And we need water, and I forgot my water, so let's just hold on 1 second. Okay, now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water to the mixture. Take your tongue depressor and slowly mix. Until it's nice and smooth. getting in crack of the cup and everything. Plaster of Paris hardens within 20 to 30 minutes. That's why you want to cut your legs and your antennas before then. So then you put it in your spoon. That looks about right. You don't want to overfill it. There. This will just be thrown away. Now what you are going to do is you're going to add your antennas. And I will probably, actually, I'm just going to stick it in there. And you do it at the spoon. I use plastic spoons. I just don't want to, there we go. Just twist them a little bit, get them to stick in there. Oh. Ooh. That's why you don't want to fill it too full so it overflows. Okay, so that'll be fine there. And then your legs. Because it scoops, I will probably just do a little bend, just a little bit. Oh, it's that. And once it dries and harden, you can shape your legs then, or trim them. Also might want to balance your spoon so it doesn't wobble. Maybe put a little thing around it like that. There. That might help a little bit. And then again, maybe not. Stay. Okay. Let's get these legs in. Okay, so, ta-da, that's it. That's all you do. There's your little spoon beetle. Now you just wait for him to dry, and then he'll pop on out of the spoon, like real easy. Now it's just, you just have to wait. Okay, it's been about an hour since we've made our spoon beetle. All these crumbs and everything I've been just kind of picking off around the edge. So he should pop right on out. I had a hard time with mine, so what I did was, because air gets under there, is I tapped it to get it to come out. As you can see, I probably could have done a little better job at placing my legs in there, because we have some plaster of Paris that did not fill in there, or did not fill in there, and I can just paint over it. What I did is I pushed too hard down in when I should have set the legs more in the center than all the way to the, as you can see, to the bottom of the spoon. Does So that's my mistake. It happens. So anyways, I will probably not paint him for another couple days so that he completely dries. But at this time, you can shape your antennas. What I'm going to do is I want him to have little hooks on the ends like that. And it can come up a little bit higher. And as you can see, his legs are not all even, but it's a little hard when you're working upside down. So I will bend them out a little bit. And then give them little feet. You can use pliers or you can just use your hands. Now I don't like that, so put them back up higher. Still give them little feet though. There. So you can shape his legs any way you want. And note that your plaster may crumble, but for the most part he should stay intact. So that is how you make a spoon beetle. I'll probably cut his back legs a little bit shorter so that way he stands up. That way. He's a little bit more higher, and you can even trim the center legs, shape them. There's so much you can do with these little guys. There, that's my spoon beetle. Thank you for watching.